What a view, man.
Jeez, you guys only just made it in time, didn't you?
That is perfect timing, man.
Wicked. This is like being on a trip.
Fucking hell. That looks like so much gunpowder.
Everybody gets it. But we're a long way away, Jake. We're a kilometre and a half. Oh, too far.
Shit.
Time those explosions get to us.
Oh, don't worry, bro.
3 or 4 seconds.
Far out, man.
Where's that going off up over there?
Be off the barge.
Whoa, man.
Oh, that's
Shit, even look at the smoke trailing off like all of the jets of them off the sky tower. Shit.
I don't know. Oh, she's probably still down. No, down. I think she got into Party Central.
Yeah, it closed off pretty early, but it looked like a bit of a good time on the tally.
From what I gather, they closed it off and she managed to squeeze in through a side entrance that's happening.
Nice.
She always does, eh? Quite jamming. Oh, Party Central.
Oh, well closed. Yeah.
They actually closed on Queen's Wharf shortly after that.
Yeah, well, that was definitely well closed as well. We got the Britomart and then it was halt.
Yeah, right, they pretty much closed it all by about 5 o'clock, just before 5 o'clock.
Wow.
I suggested to Greer and Vicky that they come up, but
I don't know if you could get a better spot to view this from, man.
look at all the helicopters coming, mate. Look at all the helicopters over there.
Fucking it.
Over there, look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's like 10 helicopters.
6 of them.
What, up there gathering over there?
Yeah, that'd be private people.
Are there aliens?
No, that'll be
They're aliens, mate. They're wondering what's going on.
No, that's private people.
no.
They're just hovering.
Yeah.
Checking out the fireworks, man. Nice.
No, they won't be private. They can't fly that close together.
You reckon that's like an army sort of... Oh, it'll be like the Prime Minister of ho-ho-ho and the ho-ho-ho.
Oh, yeah, it's just on TV then.
Oh, yeah?
No, they couldn't hover that close to each other.
Far out, man. They put it on pretty well.
I'm surprised they haven't done more from the Sky Tower itself.
Well, that's the grand finale. That.
I'm surprised these cars haven't stopped on the road.
Yeah. You would, wouldn't you?
Yeah, but on the motorway, I'm surprised they haven't stopped.
I've never seen one this big before either.
I think this is supposed to be the biggest in New Zealand, eh?
I've never seen one this big before. No, there'll be a bigger one in the final, I'd say. The final will be a big one. Just a little bit.
8 tons or something, wasn't it? 8
Because we
tons.
won't
Of
have
gunpowder.
people
Yeah, it's right.
They beat your hand out.
Well, you're getting all the spotlights as well.
Yeah, man. It's not the best camera, but fuck it out.
Oh, look, they come out. Especially if you put it on the good TV.
I'm just trying to watch it.
Is this for Kelly?
Yeah. I might put it on YouTube as well. I reckon people
watching
would be keen to
it
have
on
a wee look. Well, I reckon one of those helicopters has got to have a TV camera in it,
Got it.
for sure.
I don't get much of a better view than this.
This is the spot, man.
Do you reckon they're helicopters staying over there?
Yeah,
Hovering?
yeah, the helicopter.
Why are they so fucking close to each other?
They'll be having to stay out of this airspace until it's over.
You bought them. It's a lot of